ONVO L90. Imagine owning an SUV where the biggest fear of EV ownership simply disappears. No battery anxiety. No expensive replacement panic. No performance drop after years. That's exactly what you get with the ONVO L90. This SUV was engineered from the ground up for one brutal purpose: to stay on the road longer than almost anything else in its class. What makes this possible starts with its revolutionary 900-volt electrical architecture. When you drive a high-voltage system like this, everything runs cooler, smoother, and under less stress. Heat is the silent killer of EV components. But here, reduced heat means dramatically slower battery aging and longer motor life. That alone can add years to your vehicle's lifespan. But here's the feature that changes everything: battery swapping. Instead of worrying about battery degradation after 10 or 15 years, you can replace the battery in minutes. Not repair it, not rebuild it, completely replace it. That means your SUV never truly ages in the way traditional vehicles do. You eliminate the single most expensive failure point entirely. And it doesn't stop there. It constantly monitors its own health using AI diagnostics. It predicts where before failure happens. So instead of reacting to breakdowns, you prevent them entirely. You're not just driving a car. You're driving a system designed to protect itself for the long term. This is why owners in early markets already see it as a 15-year vehicle, not a 5-year vehicle. When you combine battery replacement capability, reduced component stress, and predictive maintenance, you get something rare: an SUV that can realistically outlast your ownership cycle without becoming a liability. ZCur 9X. Now imagine buying an SUV where the manufacturer is confident enough to offer lifetime coverage on critical components. That's exactly the confidence behind the ZCur 9X. This isn't just marketing confidence. It's engineering confidence. This SUV rides on Geely's advanced SEA platform, the same architecture connected to Volvo-level safety and durability standards. The structure uses a mix of aircraft-grade aluminum and high-strength steel, designed to resist fatigue over hundreds of thousands of kilometers. But the real secret lies in its CATL battery. This is one of the most advanced EV batteries in production today. It runs cooler, charges faster, and degrades slower than traditional packs. Less thermal stress means fewer failures and longer usable life. That's exactly what you want if your goal is long-term ownership. You also benefit from fully modular software architecture. Instead of becoming outdated, your SUV improves over time through updates, performance optimizations, efficiency improvements, system refinements. Years later, it still feels modern and responsive. This is how you future-proof your ownership. Instead of replacing your SUV because it feels outdated, your SUV evolves with you. Xpeng G6. If you want proof that engineering efficiency directly improves reliability, you see it immediately in the Xpeng G6. This SUV uses an 800-volt platform, which is a massive advantage for long-term durability. Higher voltage means lower electrical stress across the entire system. Lower stress means longer component lifespan. Everything from the battery cables to the motors experiences less wear during daily driving. You also benefit from one of the most thermally stable battery systems in its class. Early long-term users report extremely low degradation even after extensive mileage. That's exactly what you want if you plan to keep your vehicle long-term. But there's another advantage most people overlook: continuous software evolution. Your vehicle receives regular updates that improve efficiency and system optimization. Instead of aging like traditional cars, it stays refined and efficient. This dramatically extends useful life. You're not just buying hardware. You're buying a platform designed to stay relevant and reliable for years. BYD Sea-Lion 7. BYD built its global reputation on one thing: battery durability. And the BYD Sea-Lion 7 represents the peak of that expertise. At the core is the famous Blade battery. This battery has passed extreme durability tests, including puncture resistance, crush testing, and thermal abuse testing. These are the exact conditions that destroy weaker battery systems. But durability isn't just about surviving extreme tests. It's about surviving daily use for years. The Blade battery operates at controlled thermal ranges that reduce degradation significantly. This means your range remains consistent much longer than traditional EVs. You also benefit from BYD's complete vertical integration. They design the battery, electronics, motors, and software themselves. This eliminates compatibility issues that often cause failures in vehicles relying on multiple suppliers. This level of integration dramatically improves long-term reliability because every component was designed to work together from day one. Tank 500. If your definition of durability includes extreme environments, the Tank 500 delivers something most modern SUVs can't: a full body-on-frame chassis. This is the same structural philosophy used in legendary long-lasting SUVs like the Land Cruiser. Body-on-frame construction absorbs stress better, resists fatigue longer, and handles harsh terrain without structural damage. The drivetrain is built for endurance, not maximum stress performance. Smooth torque delivery reduces strain on internal components. Reduced strain means fewer mechanical failures over time. This SUV was engineered for survival. Not just comfort, not just performance. Survival. That's why it continues performing in harsh environments where many modern crossovers struggle long-term. Geely Manjaro. The Geely Manjaro delivers long-term reliability through proven mechanical engineering rather than experimental systems. It uses a Volvo-derived platform known for global durability validation. This architecture was tested under extreme conditions before reaching production. You also benefit from a proven Aisin transmission. Aisin gearboxes are globally respected for longevity and smooth operation even after high mileage. The engine is conservatively tuned to reduce internal stress. Lower stress equals longer lifespan. This careful engineering approach ensures consistent performance year after year without unexpected failures. BYD Song Plus DMI. If you want one of the most proven reliability records in modern Chinese SUVs, the BYD Song Plus DMI stands out immediately. Its hybrid system dramatically reduces engine workload. The electric motor handles much of the daily driving, which reduces mechanical wear on the engine. The blade battery again plays a key role here. It maintains structural stability and chemical durability over extremely long usage cycles. Owners frequently report minimal maintenance needs and consistent performance even after extensive use. This balance between electric and combustion power creates one of the lowest long-term stress drivetrains available. Haval H9. The Haval H9 was designed using old-school durability philosophy. Body-on-frame construction, strong suspension systems, and proven drivetrain components. These systems prioritize longevity over aggressive performance tuning. You benefit from reduced component stress, simplified mechanical reliability, and strong long-term structural integrity. This is exactly why body-on-frame SUVs historically remain operational longer than many crossovers. Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. The Chery Tiggo 8 Pro proves that long-term durability can exist even in modern premium-style SUVs. Its engine was developed with reliability as the primary focus. It maintains stable operating temperatures and low internal wear. You also benefit from globally tested drivetrain systems proven in demanding international markets. Owners consistently report stable performance beyond 200,000 kilometers with standard maintenance. That level of consistency builds long-term ownership confidence. Jetour T2. The Jetour T2 was engineered with reinforced structural components designed to handle extended stress cycles. Its drivetrain operates within safe performance limits rather than pushing extreme output. This protects internal systems from premature wear. You also benefit from durable suspension systems and reinforced mounting points designed for long-term structural stability. This approach ensures consistent operation over extended ownership periods.